My name is Becky, aka the Mocha Foodie Gardener and Gardens Ambassador. Today I want to share with you a few tips on making healthy juices using fruits and veggies grown in your very own rice garden. One thing you want to keep in mind when juicing is the order of process in which you add your ingredients. That means you'll want to start off with bulk fruits and veggies first, like apples, ginger, and carrots. Then you'll add leafy veggies and finish things off with watery fruits and veggies to help flush everything out of your juicer. Whether you're looking for a great detox after the holidays or overall health, you'll want to start off with a standard green juice. For this recipe, you'll want to include green leafy veggies like kale, spinach, chards, and fruits, botanically speaking that is, like cucumbers. Add in a bit of fresh ginger and lemons and you're off to the races. This juice will help give your immune system a great boost and help your body get rid of any unwanted toxins. If you're looking for a juice that helps in weight loss, grab a few stalks of celery from your rice garden, add in some grapefruit, oranges, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar topped off with honey. Now, I prefer raw honey because it's full of nutrients and loaded with antioxidants, just to name a few of its countless benefits. Now, if you're feeling a bit adventurous, try juicing pineapples, oranges, and sneaking in a few snackable peppers, which are an excellent source of vitamin A, C, and potassium. Just adding these simple recipes to your juicing routine will help you to reduce inflammation, aid in better digestion, and oxygenation of your blood cells in your body, just to name a few. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.